Good morning, students. Today, I would like to discuss the topic units and dimensions and measurements and physical world. In this chapter, you will get in Eamcet point of view, two questions will come. Shall we discuss the previous Eamcet questions? So here, the first question given here is gravitational forces operate among which of the following? So options: all objects in the universe, same elementary particles, some elementary particles only, charged particles only, nucleons only. So actually gravitational force is a attraction force. So that means it for all object in the universe, it follows the gravitational force will follow. So answer will be A. Next, question number 2. Velocity V, acceleration A in two systems of units 1 and 2 are related to V2 is equal to n by m square V1, A2 is equal to A1 by mn. That means we have to write this in terms of distances and time. For that point of view, let us take given values. The given values are like this. Velocity V2 is equal to n by m square V1. Some more, acceleration A2 is equal to A1 by mn. As we know that the formula velocity V is equal to AT. If you use the formula velocity is equal to AT formula. Now we can write in the double action. That means V2 by V1 is equal to A2 by A1 into T2 by T1. Now if you substitute the values, V2 by V1 means you can write here n by m square. A2 by A1 means 1 by mn into T2 by T1. From this I can get the relation between T1 and T2. Let us write this equation. Do the cross multiplication. 1m will be cancelled here. Then you will get the value of T2 by T1 is nothing but n square by m. So keep in mind, that means you will get the relation from T2 and T1 is T2 is equal to n square m by T1. So T2 is equal to n square m by T1, n square m by T1. So first one is the answer. Similarly, you can get the relation for displacements also. For that point of view, you can use the formula, general formula, S is equal to UT. You can use S is equal to VT. That means double action S2 by S1 is equal to V2 over V1 into T2 by T1. So we need the relation between S1 and S2. That means you can substitute the values of V2 by V1 and T2 by T1 here. Therefore, you will get S1 by S2 by S1 is equal to V2 by V1 in the sense the formula for the V2 by V1 is from this only you can derive. V2 by V1 means as usual n by m square into T2 by T1 means you will get n square by m. So that n square n cube, m square m cube. So you will get S2 is equal to n by m whole cube into S1. These two are the relations. So that the answer A is the answer. Next, question number 3. If F1, F2, F3 are the relative strengths of gravitational, weak nuclear and electromagnetic forces, then how can you get the relation between them? So as we know that relations for the second one, this is about the second one, then the third one, we know that gravitational forces. So better to remember this gravitational force properties. You have to remember in the all over questions they will ask so many times relation between the gravitational force and then electromagnetic force and then weak nuclear force and then strong nuclear force. Here is the order, ascending order of the forces. So among them, we know that gravitational forces are weak forces in nature, weak and long range. Okay, whereas electromagnetic force also some less range, whereas nuclear forces are the strong forces but less range. Range is very less. Similarly, whereas strong nuclear force has very strong and very less range. So this is about the properties of the gravitational electromagnetic. And if you compare this, if it is given as well, let us say it is 1, electromagnetic force is around 10 power 2, that means more than that of gravitational force. This is a 10 power 13, this is 10 power 39. In some books they gave 38 also, 39. So that means among, this is the comparison of them. So here in the question they gave relative strengths of the gravitational, weak nuclear and electromagnetic force. So from this we can get that for this answer will be here from the question they gave F1 stands for gravitational force, okay, and weak nuclear and electromagnetic. Weak nuclear is F2, weak nuclear is F2, and electromagnetic force is F3. The order they gave, you better to check the order. Actual order will be like this, but they gave different names. Gravitational force as F1 and weak nuclear as F2, electromagnet as F3. So that we can get the relation between them is like this. F1 is less than F2 less than F3. Here is the order. F1 less than F2 less than F3. So this is about the answer. So remember this, better to learn this concept thoroughly, so that among this they will ask so many questions. Next will be which of the following pairs. Next question will be given here. Sorry, I'm not giving this. I'm not reading this. Yeah. This one. Okay. This is the question they gave. F1, F2, F3 are the relative strengths of the gravitational, weak nuclear and electromagnetic forces respectively. Then the relation is F1 less than F2 less than F3. So that is answer. And next go to the topics. So which of the following pairs have same dimensions? The question they gave. So if you observe this, current density, charge density, angular momentum and linear momentum. Angular is linear different, and spring constant, surface energy. Yeah. So spring constant means force by displacement, F by x. F is equal to kx is the formula. K is equal to F by x. Whereas surface energy and surface tension both are numerically same. That's why surface tension is nothing but force by length. So both are same. That's why answer will be C. Next question, fifth question they gave. Yeah. Fifth question is which of the following statement is true? See, the range of weak nuclear force is strong among all the four forces. So that's what we discussed previously. So this weak nuclear force is shortest among all forces, and then the option number A is the answer. So without reading anything, you can simply say answer for the 5 is A. Fundamental force in nature, weak nuclear force is shortest force and less than 10 power minus 18 meters its value. Next will be question number 6. If the velocity of the light is c, gravitational constant g, Planck's constant h are chosen as the fundamental units, the dimensions of density in the new system. So this will be IP question, that means intermediate point of view. They will ask this question. We have very easy question. You have to, first of all, you have to know the dimension formulas of light, gravitational constant and the Planck's constant. So the given here is dimensions of density you have to find. So sixth one, density. So density, you can say rho or d, whatever it may be, is proportional to velocity of light, c power a, and gravitation constant g power b, Planck's constant h power c. This is the given values. So you have to know the formulas for the velocity of light. As usual, you know the velocity of light dimension formula is Lt power minus 1. Gravitational constant dimension formula is m power minus 1 L power 3 T power 2. And this one h is the Planck's constant. Planck's constant dimension formula is E is equal to h nu, means h is equal to E by nu. Nu means T power minus 1. Energy, as you know, ml square T power minus 2 by minus 1. So you will get h means ml square T power minus 2, minus 1. Yeah. GH. So density is equal to, you know the formula, mass by volume. Mass means m, volume means L power minus 3. So you can write like this: m power 1 L power minus 3 T power 0, which is equal to C in the sense LT power minus 1 whole power A, m power minus 1 L power 3 T power 2 whole power B, and h means m L square T power minus 1 whole power C. So you can separate in terms of MLT, that is m power minus B plus C, and then L power A plus 3B plus 2C, and T power minus A 2 plus this is minus 2 minus 2B minus C, which is equal to m L 3 power 0. Now equating those two, you will get minus B plus C is equal to 1, A plus 3B plus 2C is equal to minus 3, and then minus A minus 2B minus C is equal to 0. If you solve all this, you will finally get the values of A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 1. So the answer for this will be A power 5. That means C power 5. C power 5 means option number B is the answer. That's all. B is the answer. So answer will be C power 5, G power minus 2, H power minus 1. That's all. This is the answer for this density D. Okay. Next question they gave here is same theory question. Two charged particles of mass m 1 gram each placed 1 meter apart. If each of these possesses 1 femtocoulomb of charges, then the dominant force of interaction between them is dash. Obviously, you know that gravitational force. Yeah, gravitational force only. Next, 7th one, gravitational force. Next, 8th one. So here the physical quantity S is related to root A B by C power 3 D power 4. So percentage of A, B, C, D are given as 2%, 1%, 1%. So A percentage is equal to 2, B percentage is equal to 1, C percentage is equal to 1, and D percentage is equal to also 1. So in the percentage point of view, you have to find the percentage error in the S. That means we can simply say that delta S by S into 100 is equal to, so A root A in the sense 1 by 2 percentage of A plus, so B power nothing is there, so simply 1 into percentage of B plus whatever it may be, if it is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, whatever it may be, for point of percentage errors, if you want to calculate, you have to add all the things. So that C power 3 in the sense 3 comes forward, 3 into percentage of C, and D power 4 means plus 4 into percentage of D. Simply substituting here, 1 by 2 into A percentage 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1. So 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4. That is 9. So percentage error in the S is 9. That is the answer. Okay. Next question will be given here. So 9th question. The strongest force among the following force in nature are, strongest forces as you know, strong nuclear force only. So answer for this is D. Direct question. Consider the series of measurements of the lengths of the boxes experiment. The readings are 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8 meters and 3 meters. What would be the relative error? So this is also one of the important question. Relative error. Relative error you have to find. So relative error means relative error. Relative error means generally we can say that delta A by A. Percentage error means delta A by A into 100. First of all, you have to find the mean value for this. So from this mean value, in the sense here you will get the mean value. Mean value means A, which is equal to sum of the terms by the number of the terms, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus, how many are there given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, A5 by 5. So if you add all these values, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3, and divide with the 5, you will get the value of A is nearly 2.66 you will get. From that you have to find the mean absolute error. So mean absolute error. Mean absolute error means, so this is the A value. We can get the better to write the formula here. A1 minus A mod plus A2 minus A mod plus A3 minus A mod plus A4 minus A mod plus A5 minus A mod by how many are there? 5. So this is the formula. You know the value of A, A1. Yeah, continuation on this. Mean absolute error formula will be like this. If you substitute the values 2.4 minus 2.66 mod in the sense all should be added. Finally you will get the value of this delta A as 0.192. Now as you know the formula, relative error means delta A by A. So you will get relative error delta A by A is equal to delta A by A is equal to 0.192 by 2.66. You will get approximately the value 0.072. So answer will be D. Next, the physics behind fusion test reactor is. This type of question will be asked 2 times, I think so. So fusion test reactor is nothing but the formula, the answer for this will be magnetic confinement of plasma. Answer for this will be magnetic confinement of plasma. Okay, this is the answer. Next will be similar to the previous question. 6th question, like this is also same thing. Consider the expression QV is equal to KPTL power alpha, where V, P, TL are volume, pressure, time and length respectively. The quantity of Q has dimensions of dimensionless dimension ml power minus 1 t power minus 1. K is the dimensionless constant, the value of integer alpha. That means you have to find the alpha value. Here in this question they give the 12th one, that is m l power minus 1 t power minus 1 into q means this one, v means volume, volume means meter into meter into meter, that is l cube. Okay, which is equal to K is the constant value, P is the pressure, T is the time, length. So pressure dimension formula is m l power minus 1 t power minus 2, time means t, length means l power alpha is given. So if you equate these two, m l square t minus 1 is equal to, you will get m l power minus 1 t power minus 1 and then L power alpha. So we can compare the L values. You will get 2 is equal to minus 1 plus alpha, or simply alpha is equal to 3. So answer for this alpha will be 3. Yeah. Next, 13th question, the specific principle that forms the basics of the tokamak technology. Same in the magnetic confinement of plasma. Say 2 times they will ask. Yeah, 13th one is magnetic confinement of plasma. Tokamak technology, fusion reactor, both are same. Next will be the 14th one. E and E naught represents the energies, time T naught represents the times. Then which of the following dimensionally correct relation? Here they gave exponential forms. So for that this answer will be, yeah, this one. D is the answer. That is E is equal to E naught into e power minus t by t naught. This is dimensionally correct. Next 15th theory questions. The dominant force experienced by an electron moving in a wire is electromagnetic force. Obviously electric and magnetic fields are there. Whenever a current carrying conductor, it will produce both electric and magnetic fields. Yeah. Next will be the 16th one. The absolute error is 0.05 meters for the measurement of length 5 meters. What is the percentage error? So direct formula they will give. So this one, for this 16th one, percentage error is nothing but delta L by L into 100. So length 0.05 by 5 into 100, obviously 1%. That is the answer. Next will be the nuclear forces are dash. So many times they will ask, you better to know the values. Nuclear, already we discussed, nuclear force, so strong nuclear, weak nuclear, electromagnetic force and gravitational force. Among them, 17th answer. What is the answer for this? The nuclear forces are short range force. So short range forces and also attractive forces. Short range attractive is the answer. Next 18th one. So similar to this one, previously we did same type of problems. Go through this. Next 19th question they will ask. Here is 19th question is, in atomic scale the weakest forces in nature is dash. Obviously weak force is gravitational force. Next question they will give same model, Nana. 20th one. What the question they gave? Same. 5 successive measurements of the masses of the balls are 2.61, 2.58, 2.40, 2.73, 2.80. Absolute error in the measurement is dash. You have to find only absolute error, nothing else. So absolute error means you have to find, previously we did delta A you can find. So average, first of all, first you have to do the average, you will get the value of A, and delta A you have to find simply. This up to this formula you can use. Next will be 21. So same theory question, theory based question. Next 22. Yeah, this is one of the important one. 22. Already we learnt in 2 chapters in the second year. One is in the electromagnetic wave, another is in the ray optics. As we know, the velocity of light, which is an electromagnetic wave, which is equal to C is equal to 1 by root over mu naught epsilon naught. If you squaring on both sides, you will get C square is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. That means velocity of light square. Velocity of light means, you know the value of velocity of the dimensional formula is L t power minus 1 whole square. You will get L square t power minus 2. That's it. That is the answer. Next 23rd same. The long range forces experienced by the neutral particle with finite mass is dash. Obviously gravitational force. And next 24. The dimensions of angular momentum of MLT is dash. Angular momentum is momentum is nothing but angular momentum. That is L is equal to mvr. This is the formula. M L minus 1 L. So you will get M L square T power minus 1. That is the answer. Next will be the 25th one. Yeah, 25th one they asked the 25th one is, yes. Choose the correct statement. So this is related to same electric and magnetic and nuclear forces. So this is electromagnetic forces acts over the large distances, does not need any interactive medium. Yeah, that is the answer. Same 26th also same model formula, direct dimensional formula model. Okay.